Sun hits the salt on your skin. Baskets on heady coal on the ground. I see you moving through the dance. Your hands are red from the plum juice. The air is thick with the scent of wool. We are pushing through the heat of moon. The merchant screams the price of iron, the mule bones under a load of wood. Everything is moving, everything is breathing. My blood is the color of these tomatoes. I feel the weight of the popcorn. The street is a river of hungry voices. This is the feast of the living. The storm of hands and silvery out for peace. Love is a loud and open throne. That pulse of the square is my pulse. We are made of grit and celebration. My grandmother's ghost sells that bring hands. She hides in the shops and of cilantro. I carry her heavy pot through the crowd. This earth is older than my own mane. The mud on my boots is holy today. We dance because the work is hard. This is the feast of the living. A storm of hands and souvenirs for peace. Love is a loud and open throne. The pulse at the square is my pulse. We are made of grit and celebration. My feet forget the winter congeal. The crates are full of new harvest. The wine is sharp and very cold. This is the feast of the living. Storm of head, silvery island focus. Love is a loud and open throne. The pulse of the squares, no bolts. We are made of it. Sailor dust settles on our tired shoulders. The market never stops its steady song. Just scared, just so